Welcome back for another video. Today we're going to show you how to make homemade Play-Doh. I have Bernie here to help. The things we need are, we need 4 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, warm water, and your favorite food coloring. So let's start! We're going to put the salt in the flour and mix it. So in a different bowl, we're going to add some warm water and some food coloring. Now we're going to add the oil and mix it well. Now I'm going to add the flour in the water. Zerby, could you help me mix? Sure! If it's too sticky, you could add a little bit more flour. After mixing it for a couple of minutes, we're going to play with it for a little bit. Fermi, how does it feel? Good! Just like real Play-Doh. Do you want to try? Sure! Here you go. Thank you. It feels great! Just like real Play-Doh. To store it, you put it in the Ziploc bag and put it in the fridge so it doesn't get dry. We hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell button. Bye!